What is up, guys? Tenet this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move or transfer your Google Photos from one account to another. So first, you need to open your Google Photos and then you need to select the photos that you want to share. After selecting, click on the share and then click on create link. After clicking on create link, you can just click on this create link and it will create a custom link. Copy this link and then close this. And in the new tab, simply paste that link, then hit enter. And after hitting enter, here on the right side, you will see your profile. So click on add another account. If you already have it, you can just simply click on that. Or if you don't have it, click on add another account. And after adding that account, you will see that I have been signed in with my another account. I'll just simply click on join. And then if I don't even click on join, as you can see, the link sharing is on and I can see this image in my another email address. So this is how you can share or transfer or move your Google Photos from one account to another. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.